5 exciting features of the latest iOS 17. Now you can customize your phone app call screen with your own wallpaper, text, and emojis. Easily identify who's calling, even if they're not in your contacts. The Messages app has received a major overhaul in iOS 17. It's sleeker and easier to use, with an expandable menu for quick access to iMessage apps. Rearrange and delete apps to your liking, and find specific messages with the new search filter. FaceTime is now more immersive with SharePlay and live text. Watch movies, listen to music, and play games with friends and family on a FaceTime call. Translate text in real time for seamless communication. The lock screen has also been revamped. Customize it with widgets for quick access to weather, calendar, and music. Standby mode dims the screen and reduces notifications for better focus. Sharing contact details is easier than ever. Use AirDrop to share with other iOS devices with a simple tap. NameDrop lets you share contact details with anyone, even if they don't have an iOS device. These are just a few of the exciting new features in iOS 17.